problem is to write a program in Python to convert decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to check that what would be the value of a decimal number when we will convert it into a binary number, an octal number or a hexadecimal number. So guys, first of all, let's understand that what is this binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers. So we know that decimal numbers, we all use the decimal numbers. Decimal numbers are the numbers that we human use. Why? Because it has a base of 10. That means all the numbers are from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are all the decimal numbers. That means there are 10 numbers. So the base is 10 over here. Okay. And from these numbers only all the rest of the numbers are created. Right. This is our decimal numbers. Similarly, binary numbers are the one which has a base of 2. That means 2 numbers are there. And octal number has 8 numbers. And lastly, hexadecimal. So hexa means 6 and decimal means 10. So 6 plus 10 is 16. So hexadecimal over here has 16 numbers. So this is how this thing works. So what we need to do, we need to convert decimal number into a binary number, octal number and a hexadecimal number. For that we have a very simple functions inside our Python. We have a bin function to convert into a binary. We have a oct function that allows us to convert it into an octal number, and we have a hex function which allows us to convert it into a hexadecimal number. So let's have a look on how these functions can be applied. So first of all, we need to take an input from the user in a decimal number. So I'll be writing decimal over here. So decimal is equals to int input. Enter a decimal number here. After this, what do we need to do? We need to write a print statement that the converted values of decimal is, and we'll put a colon over here. Again, I'll write a print statement, and first of all, I'll do it for the binary number. For the binary number, we have a function bin. Inside the bin, we will be writing decimal, and I'll put a comma over here, put a string over here, and inside this string, I'll be writing in binary. Similarly, I'll use a print statement, and this time for the octal, we will be writing OCT. Inside this, again, we'll pass the decimal. We'll put a comma and write inside the string is octal. Along with binary, you can write number as well. So binary number again. And lastly, print statement for hexadecimal. For hexadecimal, we write hex. Inside we'll pass decimal. Put a comma and is inside a string hexadecimal number. Now let's run and see what output we will get over here. So as soon as I run it, if I write any number, let's say I'll write 15. 15 in decimal is 0b is the prefix that we use for the binary, 0o is the prefix that we use for the octal number, and 0x is the prefix that we use for the hexadecimal number. So 15 number in binary is 1111, that is a string of binary numbers. 15 number in octal is 17 and 15 number in hexadecimal is f over here. So I hope guys that this is clear that how to write a decimal number or how to convert a decimal number into a hexadecimal number, octal number and a binary number. All you need to do is perform a simple functions over here, that is bin, oct and hex. So I hope guys this program is clear to you and you have no doubts and no questions. For more such interesting videos, stay connected guys. Thank you.